To be able to enroll in SAP PP, production planning, training, it is recommended to have the following prerequisites. Basic knowledge of manufacturing processes and supply chain management. Understanding of the SAP system and its navigation. Familiarity with the basic concepts of SAP ERP. Knowledge of basic computer operations and database concepts. Understanding of material requirements planning, MRP, and its functionalities. Knowledge of production order processing and shop floor management. It is important to note that these prerequisites may vary depending on the level of the SAP PP training program, and some training providers may have additional requirements. Therefore, it is recommended to check the specific prerequisites for the training program you are interested in before enrolling. How to start career in SAP PP. To start a career in SAP PP, production planning, here are some steps you can follow. Acquire the required knowledge. As mentioned earlier, having a basic understanding of manufacturing processes, supply chain management, and SAP ERP is essential. You can gain this knowledge through relevant education, training, and certifications. Choose a role. SAP PP offers various roles such as SAP PP Consultant, SAP PP Analyst, SAP PP Project Manager, etc. You can choose a role that suits your interests and skill set. Gain experience. It is essential to gain hands-on experience with SAP PP to advance your career. You can do this by working on SAP PP projects, internships, or volunteering. Certification. SAP offers various certifications in SAP PP. These certifications validate your skills and knowledge in SAP PP, making you more marketable to potential employers. Networking. Networking with SAP PP professionals can help you learn more about the industry, gain insights into the job market, and identify job opportunities. Apply for jobs. Once you have gained the required knowledge, experience, and certification, you can start applying for SAP PP jobs. You can search for SAP PP jobs on job portals or career websites, or reach out to recruiters or staffing agencies that specialize in SAP positions.